Hi, in this video I will teach you how to hide, disable or uninstall widgets on Windows 11. Widgets are some of the new features offered by Windows 11. They allow you to keep you update with the latest information relevant to you directly from your desktop. You can also access this feature using the keyboard shortcut from virtually anywhere on your PC. However, if you aren't a fan of widgets, then they can surely be annoying on your desktop device. However, there is certain tricks available that will let you disable widgets on your Windows 11 computer quite easily. So the first question is how to hide widgets from taskbar on Windows 11. The first method is using the taskbar. Just right click on your taskbar and select taskbar settings. You see it? Now straight away you can turn off the widgets from here. Just turn it off. You can see here the widgets is now accessible from the left corner. Now if you turn it off, it will be removed. That is for temporarily. Also you can remove the widgets from the settings app. For that just go to the settings. From there to the personalization and you can see the same option here. You can turn it on as well as you can see it here. Now the widget is on and you can turn it off. Now how to disable widgets on Windows 11. So for that you have to use registry editor. First you go to the settings and then search for registry editor. Now what you have to do next is to navigate to the following path. That is on the local machine. From there to the software and to the policies, and from there to the Microsoft. With Microsoft selected on the left, right click on the empty area and select new. And you have to create a key here. Just click on key and you have to name the key as DSH. Now right click on the empty area again with the DSH selected and select new. From here click dword 32 value and name your new value as then what next is double click on this value and set the value as 0. Then click on OK and then you have to restart your system. Widgets should now have been disabled on your system. Now next is how to uninstall widgets on Windows 11. You can uninstall widgets using the PowerShell. You have to go and open the Run dialog. You can open this Run app from here. Just run PowerShell. Here you are on the PowerShell right now. You are seeing a customized version of PowerShell. I've done a video on that, how you can customize your PowerShell. I'll share the link on the I button. You can watch it from there. Now from here, use the following command. And if you enter, it will start uninstalling the widget pack from your system. Wait for the process to finish and restart your system. Windows should now have been completely removed from your system. You can use the same command in the command prompt to uninstall the Windows widgets. For that, go to the command prompt, run it as administrator, and then execute it. Once done, the widgets will be uninstalled from your PC. Then you have to restart your system and widgets should no longer be present on your system. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.